Okay, hey there CGMS students, so I'm going to help you out with your homework tonight and make sure you show all the work that I show as well. So again, the two important questions you have to ask yourselves about the inequality sign are: do you need a rewrite flip, i.e. is the variable on the wrong side or the right hand side of the equation, or the inequality, excuse me, and is the number attached to the variable negative? So if you answer yes to either of those questions, you have to flip the sign. So here, my variable is on the left hand side, so no. And my variable, the number attached, is positive, so no. I get a no, and that means I just go ahead and go to work. Add -4 here. That crosses off. I have 5x less than or equal to -10. Let me rewrite that so it looks better. Less than or equal to -10. Then I divide by 5, and x is less than or equal to -2. Now, I don't flip my sign because my answer is negative, right? It just stays exactly like that because I divided by a positive. So C is my answer. And no, we don't have to graph today. I'm going to help you out with number 2 as well. So plus a negative. Do I need a rewrite flip? No. Do I need a negative flip? No. So I add 7 to both sides. Bring down x over 3 is less than 4. And then I end up by multiplying by 3. Those cancel out. I get x is less than 12. Okay, so B. Be very careful. Some of you might want to circle C. That's not correct. Right. Number 3, do I need a rewrite flip? Yes. Is the number attached to my variable negative? No. So I need a rewrite flip. So 3b minus 5 is not greater than, but less than -38. So there's the flip, right? And I already rewrote. So -38. Now I say plus negative, and I go to work. I add 5, those cancel out. 3b is less than -33. Divide by 3, and I get b is less than -11, so A. Alright, here we go with number 5. Do I need a rewrite flip? No. Do I need a negative flip? There's a -2 attached to my variable, so yes. So you can keep this exactly as it is, 7 plus -2k, but now flip your inequality sign, greater than or equal to -25. Alright? So you add -7, you add -7, you get -2k is greater than or equal to -32. And now we will divide by -2, divide by -2. My answer will be positive. And I already flipped my sign, so I don't have to worry about doing that again. So greater than or equal to positive 16, C. Okay. Let's go down to the back side. So I'll say plus a negative here. Do I need a rewrite flip? No. Do I have a negative variable attached to my answer? No. It's a very easy one, right? Add 7. Those cancel out. We get 2a. No need to flip that. Less than 6. Divide by 2, I get A is less than 3, D. Here, do you need a rewrite flip? Yes. Do you need a negative flip? No. So 4x plus 1, flip your sign, greater than 65. You need to finish this one. Do you need a rewrite flip? Yes. Do you need a negative flip? Yes. So I'm going to actually just lock this guy in exactly like that. -6b plus 1, that goes exactly like that, 25. Alright, so we flipped once and then we flipped it right back where it is, so that's why it's less than or equal to. So we're going to add -1, add -1, those cancel out. We get -6b is less than or equal to 24, and then I divide by -6, divide by -6, and I get b is less than or equal to -4. So look very carefully. A is your answer there, right? Again, we flipped it once, we flipped it right back, so it gets locked in, so the only thing you needed to do was rewrite that. Do you have a rewrite flip on this? No. Do you have a negative flip on this? No. So this should be a very simple one, where you just go right to work, adding 4 to both sides, those cancel out. A over 4 is greater than or equal to 1, and then you finish it off by multiplying by 4, So A is greater than or equal to 4, D. So I've done a couple extras there for you. I'm going to leave 11 and 12 to you. And the last one we're going to do is this one. An elevator has a maximum weight capacity of 2,000 pounds, meaning we can get right up to 2,000 pounds, but we can't go over it, so something like that. If there are currently 3 people in the elevator with a combined weight of 300 or 450, which of the following inequalities represents the possible weights that may be added? So you can say 450. We already have 450. Oops, sorry about that. We already have 450 pounds in this elevator. We can add more weight to it, but it has to be less than or equal to 2,000, because if it's greater than 2,000, then the elevator won't work. All right. So the answer to that one is B. All right, call me if you have questions. Let's go through real quick and see if there's any rewrite negative flips on this one. This one is a no, no, so you just go right to work. Sorry about that. And I guess that's going to be the end of my video because my word shut down. Oh, no, here we go. I'll help you out a little bit more. This one's also going to be a no, no, and I think here we're going to have a no, no, and here we're going to have a yes, no. So best of luck. Call me if you have questions.